Yeah, man. British. Donny British, huh? Watch out. Yeah, man. Yeah, left that one there, you know? Yeah, man.
Senorita, let me be your boyfriend. You can come to my casa. We can start a familia. Have you ever touched a rasta?
Alright. You played it? Ready? Here. Your tissue? Oh, pull out the tissue. Oh, look, Ivy.
Turn it on.
Look. It's a toaster.
And the toast
With
comes out.
toast and butter. Look at how cute.
Yeah, look at the other side of the toast. So see their different cinnamon
Oh,
toast.
look at cinnamon toast.
With jelly.
Yeah, you like it? Thank
Strawberry
you.
jelly.
Oh, how cute. Good.
Oh, it's finished up there.
Is that a dinosaur? Is that a dinosaur?
Look, she's grabbing stuff now.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got a dinosaur
And a
book.
book.
Look.
Ooh, and the book, Mama.
See? Mama will read you something when you wake up from your nap. Yeah. The book. Yes.
I expect those nails to be
Look.
painted
How
tonight.
piggy paints.
I expect those nails
Look
to
at how
be painted.
pretty. Is that pink? And hot pink?
Not red.
And teal? It's like a hot pink. And then purple?
It looks red on camera.
Oh. Yeah, Mama paint your nails today. A new bib?
Mm-hmm.
Is it cute? Has a bib on it. And then here's your outfit for the day. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day, baby.
What is up? What is up? I feel like I haven't post nothing in a while, man. God damn it, man. I know everybody know I'm the post king. I joke, man, I make people post way more frequently than me. But anyways, today me I go drink some blood clot cola champagne. It's a Jamaican product, you know. Yeah, man. You see, true, we don't live at the common place them where you find the Jamaicans places like Florida. You know, Jamaicans flood Florida, New York, them flood Bronx, Queens, Connecticut. You know what I mean? It's hard for me find Jamaican products where I am at. You know what I mean? Where I am at, I don't typically run in Jamaicans. I have to run into the Jamaican community. I have to drive like 3-4 hours. You get me? Yeah, so just we go in our places like not Thomas. You see what I'm saying? Jamaicans them flood down them place there, you know. Like fleas. But Bumblecleat, what may I look for? A glass. Yeah, because I want to sip some of this before I touch road. You see what I'm saying? Take a one spliff, you know. A little family event going down at the moment. We're quite unfortunate, you know what I mean? So, family members are get together if we go to an event, you know what I mean? So, it is what it is. But, I tell you, Star, hold on, we can catch this so them can watch this. Every girl I road want to smash this. That's right. Blood clot, pour out my liquor. Hey, you know me stop drink alcohol. For those who know me. Yeah, man. And then one of my software engineer co-worker have $200 bottle of wine for me. $200 worth of wine. The man say you better stop. Boy, you stop drink and come collect these bottle of wine. I got 250-50. Look it up. Peugeot 50-50. Think I like 100. $110 for one bottle. Papa have two for me. Shout out to the G Matt. You see I'm saying? Yeah. And then another software engineer, Dave, Papa said, hey, remember I got a bottle of Hennessy Master Blender #1 with your name on it. So the alcohol still a call my name, man. But me stop drink though. Yeah, me still go collect them back of the though. Those are good collector's item. Should I one day relapse and need to drink again because I'm only human. I might relapse. You know what I'm saying? I might relapse. Yeah, bumbo clad. Some people act like them cannot relapse, like them are a human, like them perfect. No one is perfect in this imperfect world. Yeah, man. And you must proud of your flaws and your imperfections. That's what makes you you. Can't drive, man. Ooh. Whoa, juice. Not my juice though. All this. Drop it in the fridge. Hey, in the fridge. I get things in my fridge, you know. Yes, God. Look how my fridge dirty, man. I need to clean up my fridge. In the fridge, mister. In the fridge. And the fridge on, you know. See? The cooler.
Am I good? Am I squishing
Cooler
here now?
make me cooler.
Or is it good?
You're good. Yeah, there. You're good. Hit my settings, you know. Change up my seat, man. Yeah. Man, you have everything?
Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, let me double check.
Are you set this up as well?
Yes, sir.
It's good. I very adjust my armrest. Yeah. See your phone.
Where's that Gatorade that was on the seat?
In the fridge. After my little brother hype boy, my big driver, the man go crash in the other brother car. And then him and him other brother kick off now over the car. One piece of drama. Yo, I just drama upon drama. So them a war it out right now. The dog say, oh, if anything, yeah, I do what I'm have to do. You see me? And we say, yo, is this an 18-year-old brother and a about 26-year-old brother they war, you know. My blood brother them, you know. And then what I say, he might kill the other one. The other one I say anything or anything. And me I say if anything happen to the little one, them have to deal with me. I say, man, them draw me in a them drama after me down me yard. Good. Hey, you think a Range Rover that look good on them spokes rims, eh? Put the range for some 26s. Picture the range. Yo, you know what I'm going to do? Go buy a Lincoln Navigator. I don't know, from morning me have a new car itch. You know, I said devil stay, you know, devil want me buy a new car, you know. I just feel like I have a new car each. I feel like better just go get a new car in a day, yeah. Or in a week, yeah. Or sometime soon. Man with the chuck, with the fat hips, them call it Dooley. Him a move unruly. Have patience, Dooley, man. Man a blow out the next man out of the road. Yo, have patience, buddy. And not even fear chuck. Or probably him own the company, because it's a company vehicle. See the motorcycle gang. And them, you know, watch this a punga nut. The man could have make the orange. I want woman, you know. I want woman. Female drivers, boy. Female drivers wanna drive. We don't know who teach you to drive. Some females. Majority are females. God damn it. No. No, we don't learn to drive. And them freaking Asian and Mexican driving instructor, they fuck up with the way they go driver school, you know. Because uno makes a decision behind, you know, driving sometime. And when me look up, yo, so my time me a driving on somebody bad drive me and I get upset about it, you know. And when me look, it's a female driver. Me can't even angry. But me just be like, man, you know what I mean? Yeah. Male drivers, some of them sucks. Especially, yo, me don't even want to talk about some of them male drivers. Some of them, I don't know where who no get license from. You see what I'm saying? Uno just thinks that the car make figure fast and that's it. Uno not have no skill behind it. When uno in a problem, uno can't stop the car. Uno can't counter steer. Uno can't nothing. Uno just, they go fast. That's why God makes some uno not have nice car. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Every time I eat junk food, you know, I break out, you know. Yeah. But I not stop eat junk food. Yeah. Because the street love junk food. So anytime you're in the street, I their own street people. Man, you can't talk about no good. Oh, dare you talk about asparagus, about roads of bumbleclad street people. Like, you want to go restaurant, go eat no goddamn scallop with asparagus and a liquor serving a mashed potato. Oh, dare you do that, man. One time I bring his street go fancy restaurant, you know. The man them cost, the man them say, what's it? $60 for this. Embarrass me out there, you know, because me know what come with it, but that man, yeah. But just say go, yeah, man. Just say go, you know. Yeah, it's amazing when you bring a street girl go fancy restaurant. But if you want entertainment, do that. Man, what's this sheet? Nah, I don't trust that sheet. That sheet looks scary. Wrong with that, you know me now. Yo, make room for me, buddy. Make the bikers them run this, man. Tell your star. It's a beautiful day, though. But yeah, you know what's funny about this place? It always so peaceful and quiet. Oi, where you look for now? Hey, say you're cute. I'll be up, man. Whoa, yeah, that's it there. Wow, we're outside. Yeah. So you're cute. Yeah. Me and V, yeah. That's right. Yeah. But at the mountainside, I eat some real bickle, you know. Healthy eats. See what I'm saying? Yeah. And that tree. Yeah. Hmm?
That's a big pile of poop.
Yeah. Yeah. Breeze feel nice, don't? Yeah, man. Everything mad. Me and my Rizzler, lighter, hot grabber, and a 50 bag. Everything mad, everything mad. Me say everything mad, everything mad. Every day you see me, I'm smoking. Grabber. Senorita, let me be your boyfriend.
Yeah.
You can come to my casa.
Yeah.
We can start a familia.
For real.
Have you ever touched a rasta?
Never touch it.
Senorita, let me be your boyfriend. You can come to my casa.
Yeah.
We can start a familia.
Yeah.